When I was a child, some of the things that we make us learn as man, nobody ever tell me them. Nobody at all. Wow. This was not intentional. I never end up try cut the feed drop off, but such is life. When I was a man, when I was a child, some of the things that I learn, nobody never tell me. Nobody not tell me that adulting gonna be one of the hardest tasks. As a man, everybody expects you must know. Not sure this is Okra, by the way. Everybody, I think, said, well, we need some space in there. Everybody just expect you to know. And this is why I'm a bit more kinder in this society today, because honestly, one time, me never went kind to my brethren them, but me understand. Why, me I tell you, some of we go through some road at the mercy of who you believe in make you still there today. Some say God, some say Allah, some say Muhammad, me say universe. Make we accept and love each other now for what we believe in now. Your acceptance, my youth, a real spiritual maturity. Me found this guy, when I was researching in my earlier years, named Wayne Dyer. He said it's better to be kind than to be right every time. And it took me years to understand what this man means. But the whole heap of fighting where people are fight, so my verbal battles them, they are not your battles, my friend. Yeah man, sometimes simple things them count. Like what me I do right now. How much people you think have a time to do this? Look how easy this be. Yet it's so hard for others to just sit and cut up some okra that is high, brother, in our synovial fluid for your joints. Coconut water, which is one of the best electrolyte, for literally re-energize your cells. Look how this easy. And this is $1 million drink. Did I say $1 million? This drink is infinite, brother. If you do this every day, you literally make your doctors lose money. But then again, everybody busy though. Busy going nowhere. Growing taller, older, yet not wiser. The people, we know what to do, All of us know what to do. Some of us know why we are so unhealthy. We know why we're sick. But yet, we just don't have no time. Well, continue. Continue, man. I don't wish you, but your intentions and actions are gonna lead you to an early grave. You see yourself, you need to take care of 100%. And if you're not taking care of yourself right now, you don't deserve to be with anyone in a relationship. It's just because they are not paying attention why they have given you a chance. We need to buckle up, brother, and take on well serious. Real tips, knowledgeable, true virgin. Yeah man, check out my new book now on Amazon, Earth Book 1, and also locally here in Jamaica. And who can wear the clothesline? We're coming out the best. We'll be getting prizes and surprises. Yo, me out here.